This is the field for today. It is mighty fresh this morning, but it's dry. Got permission on here the other year, but we've not been on this field, so yeah, never know. Well, actually, tell a fib, we're right over there the other weekend, right over there, near those trees along the edge. But now there's all this bit to do. So see what happens. Catch you in a bit. Okay, it's my first decent find. It's a broken button. Shame, because it would have been a biggie. It's a button anyways. And I'm going to have quite a sniffy nose today because it is freezing. God, my fingers. Oh wells. Okay, sniff sniff on and catch you in a bit. Okay, next one. And yes, look, it's the tinsiest. But losing grip. It's the tinsy winsiest of buttons. Look at that, it's so small you have to whisper. Because look, it's tiny whitey. Actually, it's quite cute. It's got quite a little nice bit to it there. So as far as button goes, it's not a bad looking interesting button. But if I get too many more buttons, I don't think I'm going to bother recording because it's just too fresh. Writers, I shall comment. Catch you in a bit. Writers, I have just come up with this little thing. Looking like a bit of a squished lead bullet. I'm presuming so. It's got some nice lines going around it. Ooh, wings. I'd say it was a bullet. Okie doke, move on. Right. Now, this is more likely a button, but I just thought to give you all a little bit of, held back excitement as to what could it be. I thought I won't touch it. We'll see. And if it's a button, you can jump up and down. Is it? Okay, you can jump up and down. It's a button. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yep. Okay. Oh, well. Oh, I want to find a coin. Oh, well. Okay. Better luck with my next one. Lucky. I have just found a sack seal. Let's focus. I think that's a 0. Oh, you can see something. Anyways, I should wash it up. I like sack seals. Nice. Okay then. Move on. Yes, I'm still freezing. I'm HHPPY. I am HAPPY. I am HAPPY. La 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 la. Okay, this has made my day because I have been trudging. Trudge, and all I seem to be finding is silly little gun cartridge pellet thing, me bobbies. And look what I've just come up with. Oh, looky. Look. Yay. A buckle. It's a bit damaged. you think the old tractors call that? I give it a bit of a bend, look. Unless you had a funny shaped body. Oh well. It's a buckle anyhow. I suppose it might even be off for... Might it be off for horses? Bits and bobs? I don't know. Possibly. Anyways, there we go. Beats a gun cartridge. What's it? See what else I can get. And yes, my fingers are numb now. So I hope you're dead grateful for me taking my glove off and filming. Lol. Okay, I think I found my first coin of the day. Very small and very, very worn. So I'm not going to have any ideas till I get back home. Give it a nice gentle clean. Not blanked anyway. Okay, might head for some lunch, try and warm my fingers up because they're getting really numb. Okie dokies. Make my way over there. See what I can find in between. Okay, just had a spot to eat, a bit of a late lunch, and didn't really want to get back out of the car because it's that cold. But we're in between 3 and 4 o'clock and it's just started to rain. All my luck's in. I'm rushing now because I keep thinking I'm going to get drenched. See? Oh, nice. Not in the best of nick, but an old penny. Give it a clean when I get back, see whose it is. A bit worn. My second coin today. Thank you. Good. Good. See if I can get anything else before the rain gets heavier. Catch you in a bit. Okay, you can kind of see what I've just found. It's really getting dark now. It's raining quite heavy. And I forget what these are. It's probably because I'm just brain cold at the minute. I'll clean it up when I get back. Everybody knows what they are. No, it's the one with the sides. It's not a pound coin. Right, as you can see, it is dark and it's raining, and I'm going to make my way back to the car, which is it's that little black dot over there. And if I do get anything on the way that's worth filming, I'll pop it on. But if I don't, thank you all for watching. And no magnificent jaw-dropping finds today, but got me out and about. Okie dokes. See you all soon. Bye. I'm detecting in the rain. I'm detecting in the rain. Oh, what a way to end my day. Oh, signal. I'm detecting in the rain. I'm detecting in the rain. Not very well with one hand. I'm detecting in the rain. Dun 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 dun.